1. Like a duck to water. Meaning, natural and easy, not needing instruction. Sentence, she started skating and learned quickly, like a duck takes to water. 2. Free as a bird. Meaning, easy freedom or escape without entanglements. Sentence, my mind is absolutely clear, clear and free as a bird. 3. An albatross around the neck. Meaning, a heavy burden or difficult obstacle. Sentence, he bought the properties last year hoping to make a profit by reselling them, however, with the economic downturn, they have become an albatross around his neck. Thank you so much for watching.